What is up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. As you guys can tell by today's video title, today we are going to be trying out cheap TikTok clothing and we're just going to see if these are worth the money or if they are a scam. The last time I did a TikTok shop related video, which was this one, some of you guys were literally saying I had no idea that TikTok shop was a thing. Honestly, don't feel bad because to be honest, for a hot minute, I didn't know about it either, which is why I haven't really done that many videos on it up until now. If you guys are new here and you guys haven't seen my face before, hi, I'm Roxy. Welcome to my channel. If you guys want to stick around, be sure to subscribe down below. But if you guys want to see what I picked up from the TikTok shop for literally pennies, then without further ado, let's get into it. All right, guys. So here is how my TikTok shop bag has arrived. It kind of has like the TikTok sort of color scheme on it. As you can see, I did already open it just to have a little peek, but as soon as I knew what it was, I was like, okay, I'm gonna leave it for the video. So let's open it up together. I am so excited for some of these pieces. All right, so the very first item I picked up is this top right here. As you can see, it's a strapless bodycon kind of top, which I really love. It kind of looks like it's very structured. It almost has like a corset feel to it. And the overall vibe kind of reminds me of those triangle bikinis. Do you guys remember those? They were like all the craze back in the day. Anyways, this top was literally only £4.76 and I have it right here. For that little money, I am really interested to see what the quality will be like, whether it will be see-through, whether it will be well fitted. Here is the top, and honestly, it very much looks like the photo in my opinion. It has a very structured, boned kind of look, but it actually doesn't have any real boning whatsoever. This is literally just like stitching. I'm a little bit disappointed because the actual top does not have any padding in it whatsoever. To be honest, I didn't really expect it for the price, but it would have been really nice to have even like a cheap, thin sort of pad in there. The top does come to a little point, as you can see, and yeah, I mean, the color is spot on. The color scheme is great. I really like the structured look, so yeah, we'll see how it fits. To make the top into a little bit of an outfit, I also picked up this pair of cargo trousers. Now, these were only £10.59, so let's see what these are like. It looks really cool on the model. Okay, first of all, the fabric is definitely very thin, a lot thinner than it looked in the photos, but the overall look is very similar. It has this like weird sort of strap. I don't really understand what that's for. Maybe it's just like a decorative piece, but yeah, it's just a plain pair of trousers. I don't think they're really cargo. They don't have many pockets or anything, but they're just very loose. They have really cool like big pockets in the front, and then they also have pockets in the back. I would say this would be a really nice pair of like work trousers, but let's go put these on together and see how they look on. All right, guys, so here is what the first outfit looks like on. I have to say, it is actually pretty cool looking, considering how inexpensive both of these items were. First things first, let's talk about the top. So the top is really nice looking from far away, and it doesn't look that bad up close, but the only thing that really bothers me is how ill-fitted it is. It's just not very like supportive. It doesn't really have any grip on the breast area or even in the back. It seems to be quite a flimsy make, and that just makes it kind of fall down a little bit. Because of the shape of the top, it would be quite hard to wear a bra with this without it kind of being exposed, unless you wore one of those super tiny sort of bras that are like discreet sticky cups. Personally, I don't actually have one, weirdly enough. I really need to invest in one, but I'm just wearing some nipple covers and I feel like I just don't have enough support. So that's just something to bear in mind. As for the trousers, they are pretty cool. Even though they are quite thin in fabric, I actually don't think that's a bad thing. I would say these would be great for the summer because they're super thin, very breathable, and super loose as well. So if you're a fan of wearing black in the summer, get yourself these because these are really nice and breathable. I also really like the shape of them and all these like little strings. It just gives it like a little bit of something. This is what they look like in the back as well. I know they're quite hard to see because they're literally pitch black, but I really love the fact that it's got these like front pockets. I think they're just so cool. I think on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm gonna give the top probably like a 4. It's not as good as it looked in the photos. That's just my opinion. As for the trousers, I do really like them. They're very comfortable, so I'm gonna give these easily like an 8. Moving right along, the next piece of clothing we're gonna be trying out is actually this 3-piece set. This one was probably one of the most expensive items of this video. It was £22.90 and it looked really cool. They had this in lots of different colors. It's kind of like a crocheted knitted sort of set, and of course I went for the pink color. It actually came in its own separate bag, bag. Like, it didn't come with the rest of the stuff, so that's really interesting. This is how it has arrived. Now, there seems to be quite a lot to this outfit, so let's go through this first. This is the more delicate part of the outfit. So first up we have this, which I'm pretty sure are like the sleeves. They come as like a whole separate thing, but this is really, really cool. I love the texture of this. This would be great for like a festival. We then have this, which I'm pretty sure is the skirt. It is very, very holy. Look at all them rips, but I really, really like the actual like color and fabric of this. It's very sparkly and just looks really magical. We then have the top, and by the way, everything is kind of see-through, so I'm a little bit concerned, but we're just gonna roll with it. This is the top. It looks like just a simple bandeau with this sort of like wrap string effect, which you kind of just tie as a halter neck. It looks like you can kind of like cinch it in, maybe? I don't know. You then get this, which honestly I'm a little bit confused about because this wasn't in any of the photos. It was literally just this three-piece thing, but I'm not gonna complain. You get a secondary piece of clothing, and honestly, it's adorable. I think it's a little bit like cheap looking, but it's still kind of cute. You could always throw this over that in case you get a little bit too chilly in this. So yeah, maybe that's a cute little combo. Let's go try it on and see how it fits. All right, so here is the next outfit and what it looks like on. And as soon as I started putting this on, I realized there was a major issue. There is a part of this outfit literally missing, and that is whatever this was covering the stomach. Look at the photo and compare. I mean, this definitely is missing something, and I feel like that cardigan they sent me might have been instead of whatever this is. Maybe they made a mistake. It's just very strange to me that they sent me this. Like, this is not part of the outfit. It's not what I ordered. So yeah, I'm not even gonna try that on because it's not that good. This, however, definitely had a lot of potential. It's very, very scratchy though. Like, right off the bat, I feel like I'm gonna have an allergic reaction or whatever it is to this fabric. I have pretty sensitive skin and I can feel like all the irritation on my stomach already. I think it's just all these tiny little sequins, not so much the actual like woolly fabric itself. Also, I had no freaking idea how to tie this across my chest in the same way as they did in the photo. I tried my hardest, but it just didn't work out. The skirt, however, it's okay. It has like this sort of tie thing at the back as well, which I just cinched in as far as I could. As you can see, the whole outfit is pretty see-through, so I am wearing some nude little shorts underneath as well as a little bandeau. I don't really feel like the bandeau looks that good underneath the top, so if you were to buy this and wanted to wear it out without literally just feeling so exposed, you would definitely have to invest in one of those like sticky cup bras. The little sleeves, which are obviously optional as part of this outfit, are very itchy as well. I can just feel all the itchiness down my arm. I don't know, I feel like this outfit definitely looked a lot better in the photo. It looks a little bit cheap and just not very comfortable, so I'm gonna have to give this like a 3 out of 10. Moving on to the next item, we're now going to be trying out this dress, which honestly, the second I saw this, I fell in love with it. This dress was only £9.34, and this is how it has arrived. The color, first of all, is spot on. I do have a feeling that the dress in the photo of the listing was maybe not the same dress as this, but I guess we'll see. Okay, here it is. This is essentially a knitted blue dress, which looks like this. It looks kind of bad, like just holding it up like this, but this part here does stretch out, in which case I think that's going to be a lot cuter. It's a pretty simple design in all honesty. It's quite like a not too long, not too short dress. I would say this is going to be like a midi length. It actually has a slit on one side right here, and then the back is pretty much backless, but it has this kind of like woven sort of effect which you can tie up yourself. The fabric is really nice. It's very cozy and thick, but also stretchy at the same time, so I have a feeling I'm gonna get along with this one. All right, so here is the blue dress. Oh my gosh, I am just obsessed with the silhouette of this dress. Honestly, it's kind of giving Skims. You can actually customize how fitted it is around the waist because you can actually snatch it in with these strings. Also, it looks super flattering on the butt. It kind of has like this little circular cutout at the bottom. I think it looks really good. The main thing I love about this dress is how stretchy and comfortable it is, but also the neckline. If you've been on my channel for a little while, you'll know how much I love a squared neckline. I just feel like it always looks so flattering. I'm literally not even wearing a bra underneath this dress, yet I feel so supported. I don't know, there's something about this fabric. It's just really, really nice. It's very smoothing. I love it. Also, the length of this is really, really good. It's not too long. It's not too short. It's like a perfect spring kind of dress. It has that little slit on the side, as you can see, which I feel like is placed really well. I really didn't have high hopes with this dress. I really thought it was going to be like a way worse version of the photo, but I have to say it's exactly the same. So I'm giving this a 10 out of 10. Now, the next outfit we're going to be trying out is another three-piece kind of set, and it's this one here. I want you guys to guess how much this was. I'll give you 3 seconds. Write it in the comments. Honestly, I was blown away by the price of this. For 3 pieces, like the full outfit, the crop top, the shorts, and the cardigan, it was literally only £8.83. Supposedly, this set was reduced from £16.49, and honestly, I feel like that's literally a steal price. It kind of felt like theft to be paying that little money for literally a 3-piece outfit. So let's see what the quality is like, because for that price, it's just too good to be true. Here it is. This is what it looks like. Honestly, there is a little bit of weight to it, so, you know, I have hopes. Let's start off with the crop top. So, to be honest, it's not a bad crop top. Like, the fabric looks okay. It doesn't look too see-through. It looks quite stretchy. The straps are adjustable. I have no complaints there. This is quite a cute crop top that I would pick up from like Primark even. Next up, we have the little like cardigan that goes over the top. You can wear this done up or open. It's totally up to you. But yeah, it's pretty simple, ribbed fabric. It's got a long sleeve. The quality's nice, actually. I have no complaints. And lastly, we have the super relaxed kind of loungy trousers. And again, I am very impressed with these. It's got a super, super stretchy waistband, very thick. I really like that. It even has pockets, you guys. Like, look at this. That is pretty amazing. Like, they actually included pockets, and for the price that this was, it's pretty good. The trousers are super slouchy. I really like that look. This is a great set for lounging at home or running errands. I feel like this is gonna be my new go-to, like, cleaning around the house kind of set. But let's go try it on and see if it actually fits okay. All right, so here is the 3-piece on. I have to say, now that I have this on, it's a very decent, like, set of clothing. I really did not expect much, but everything fits really well. The fabric is really nice and soft, very stretchy. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like this is the perfect like lounging around at home set. You can totally be a couch potato wearing this outfit, but still looking cute. If it gets too hot, you can just take the little cardigan off, and this is such a cute outfit. The crop top is really nice as well with the adjustable straps. And best of all, nothing is really see-through, at least from what I can see from the viewfinder. Let me know what you guys think. But honestly, I feel like this outfit you can't go wrong with. For £8, all of this, and it's pretty decent quality, so I'm giving this a 10 out of 10. And now for the very last outfit, we're gonna be trying out this 2-piece right here. This was called the Women's Sexy One Shoulder Backless Crop Top and Skirt, and this was only £10.17. The second I saw this, I was like, okay, it's not really my color, but I see the potential in the outfit because it's very much giving like holiday vibes. This is how it has arrived. It's not my favorite color ever, but we're gonna give it a go because I'm always keen to try new things. This is it. So first up we have the top, which I have no idea what is going on here. It kind of looks like a super wide pair of underwear. You know, like the underwear that like the sumo wrestlers wear? This is what that kind of reminds me of. It's so strange. Like, what am I supposed to do with this? I have no idea. I'm gonna have to look at the photo and try and figure it out. Clearly, it has to be like that? Is that the top and it's like backless? That has to be it, right? You're supposed to wear it like that? Let me look at the damn photo because I have no freaking clue. Okay, I think I figured it out. You're supposed to super like cinch it in together, and one of these hoops is supposed to be around the waist, whereas the other is supposed to be around the neck, so it's kind of like a asymmetrical thing. It just looked so confusing at first though. Now for the actual skirt, we have this, and oh my gosh, again, this is looking very confusing. It's literally just this massive piece of fabric. I mean, what is going on here? What am I supposed to do with this? Again, it's a cinch it in yourself kind of situation like this. Okay, I think I figured it out. So this is the waistband. This then creates like this little hoop on the side that you're supposed to tie yourself. And then the rest of the skirt has this super big dramatic slit all the way down. It's kind of giving like holiday beachy sarong vibes. So let's go pop it on and see how it looks. All right. Alright, so here is the confusing outfit, and honestly, now that I figured it out, it actually looks alright. I genuinely had no clue how this top was ever gonna work until I just fiddled around with it and it kind of made sense. The top is actually very, very nice. It's quite supportive because of like how it's tied together. It's really pulling up my chest because of this strap here that kind of goes around the neck. So no complaints about the top. As for the skirt looks really, really fancy. The actual slit goes very, very high, so you would definitely be able to see like your bikini or your underwear. So it's really your preference whether you want to show that or not. But all I'm saying is that you don't really have a choice. Either it's on show or you wear something a little bit more like neutral and skin colored. I really, really like this ruching effect across the tummy. I feel like that looks very flattering. I would totally wear this to the beach as like a fancy bikini cover up, or even just wear it out for dinner with a pair of heels. I feel like this would be such a cute outfit. I definitely wish that they did this in like a cream color because that would have been so me. But this green is okay. It's not my favorite, but I would still wear it. Let me know what you guys think of this one. I really like it, weirdly enough. So I'm gonna give this like a 9 out of 10. Alright guys, so that was everything for today's video of me trying out super inexpensive TikTok shop clothing. Let me know which one of these items was your favorite as always. I really liked some of the pieces. I feel like for the price that we paid, you can't really be too picky. Some of the clothing definitely fit better than others, but for how inexpensive it was, I feel like I definitely can't complain too much. As it is with most online sort of like clothing shops, I feel like TikTok shop is definitely a little bit of a hit and miss kind of place. So if you guys enjoy me doing these types of videos and trying out these pieces of clothing so you don't have to, definitely smash that huge thumbs up down below. But that is all from me. Thank you guys so much for being here and watching this video, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! Mwah.